is Kenny herself, the girl Kenny. Yeah, one. No, sir. Me they come as we start the live, we get up. Need to take my vitamin. Who is here? I'm taking my vitamin. Yeah, man, in them time we have to take a vitamin and with B complex and with zinc and with iron and with everything, not true. So pour one of this. In 1 cup of water. Have my water here at my foot. I'm going to shake it. No, man. It's not good to be inconsistent on YouTube, you know, guys, because when you become inconsistent, you will lose your followers, and to get them back, it is not easy. So I'm going to sip it. And it tastes nice, you know. It tastes nice at all. You have one harsh taste. But nothing that is good for your body is tastes nice and true. Nothing that is good for your body tastes nice. You just have watch your mother, so. Hmm? Headache pill tastes nice. Which one that? Which one that? Who give it to you? Who bought it? Oh, the children Panadol. That tastes nice. Sweet. Oh. I maybe YouTube not send out no notification because you tell me so that ever one person not come and me there 3 minutes ahead and not even one person me not see. This not nice. Let me use a tablet and watch myself. This not nice. No, sir. Not because me inconsistent. No mean say me leave YouTube. You know, must get the notifications. Leslie Griffin. What? Long time I not see you. How you doing? Sister? I'm on a live. Thank you, sweetie. Leslie, I haven't done a live in a while. No. I did a live since week when it was raining. Differently, I haven't done a live where I sit and talk to my peeps. So my channel kinda get messy. Share me out. Like, make we just chill tonight. Moya, I can't operate your tablet. Wait. Sister, I'm on the live. Join me. Hey, Jordan, what one? Long time. What one? What's up? I'm taking it. My sister texted and she knows she are calling her disrupt this live. What to her, man? I take my vitamin the last week. I was so sick with the flu. I had every symptom of the big C. So I have to take my vitamin. Come in and nothing do me. When's the last time you were live before this? I think it was, which day I went live? When the rain was falling. I think it was Friday. Friday
Yes.
or Saturday, one of them.
Friday.
Friday. Was Friday?
Yes. Friday, right?
And I should ask you what happened with you. Jordan, I was sick. Went to Mobile for my family, and I got back home sick. Can you imagine? From a reach home in a bed sick. Give the live a thumbs up and share it out for me, please. You know me do something wrong? Should I go live on this phone? Like I said, this phone that I'm live on now, it's my personal phone, and messages are coming in, and it's going to interrupt the live. Well, Jordan, you know, say I made the effort to go and do the test on Thursday, but the rain came down, so I didn't get the chance to go and do it. Feel better, you know, still. So even if I had it, I overcome. But I know I had something. I had something. Let me end the live from this phone and go live on this phone. Please, wanna come back, please.